Good morning, class 2. Welcome back to your English literature class, children. I hope you all are keeping well by the grace of God. And we are having this class after a long time, after half yearly. This is the first class, children. So, children, for the next time, we have got the poem The Swing. Okay. Now, open your book at page number 124. 124, and the poem is The Swing. So today in this class we will recite the poem and we learn more about this poem The Swing, written by R.L. Stevenson. Okay, so children, take out your book, open your book, your English literature book, and open your book at page number 124. Today we will read The Swing. It is a poem written by R.L. Stevenson. Okay, take a pencil in your hand and let us read the poem. See, in this picture you can see a girl swinging, isn't it? So look at the picture given in the book. What do you see here? What do you think the child in the picture can see? Here you can see a child, and the child can see so many things, isn't it? So what are the things that he or she can see? Okay, and she is in a swing. We can see that she is in a park and she is high up in the air in a swing. She is riding a swing. Do you think the child is happy? Yes, obviously you all like to ride in a swing, right? We all like it. So you enjoy very much when you go to a park and we have a ride in the swing. So we all love it very much, and as children, it is one of the most enjoyable thing for the children. So let us read the poem and find out whether how a child feels when he or she rides in a swing. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. So this is the feeling of a child, beautifully presented by the poet R.L. Stevenson. Okay. So here she is expressing the feeling of a child, the how a child enjoys when he or she rides in a swing, when they go to especially to a park, isn't it? We all go. You must have gone to a park, and all of you must enjoy the ride of swing. Okay, swinging, isn't it? So in the same way, so how do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? A question mark is put. So here the poet is asking that how do you like? Do you like to be in a swing and where you are high up in the air? How do you like it? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. So here it is saying that the poet is saying that, oh, I think that this is the pleasantest thing. What is the meaning of pleasantest? The most enjoyable thing for a child, isn't it, to ride in a swing? It is the most enjoyable thing for a child. Now, up in the air and over the walls, up in the air and over the walls means when you are swinging, you go high up in the air, isn't it? And over the wall you can see something, the object that is beyond the wall of the park. See, she is in a park, the tree is in a park, she is swinging here, and when she is swinging in the air, isn't it, she can see the thing that is beyond the wall of the park, isn't it? So she is up in the air and she is beyond, she can see the thing that are beyond the wall of the park, till I can see so wide. She can see many things that is beyond the wall of the park when she is up in the air. What are the things, what are the objects that she can see? She can see rivers, trees and cattle. Cattle means what? herd of cows and bulls, isn't it? So see, you can see here, she can see house, river, and some cattle, they are grazing in the field. So when she is up in the air, when she can see the thing that are beyond the wall of the park, and where she could see rivers, trees, cattle, cattle are grazing, and all, and so many things over the countryside. Over the countryside, what is the meaning of countryside? Village, isn't it? So countryside means land with field, farms, etc. Villages. Okay, so she can see so many things over the wall of the park when she is up in the air. So it is the most pleasantest or the joyful thing for a child, isn't it? By swinging up in the air, in the high, he or she can see many things and she enjoys a lot. Now next stanza third. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Now here in the last stanza she is saying that till I look down on the garden green, means when we are swinging, we'll go high up in the air, then we again come back, isn't it, down. So when she comes down, okay, in the swing, then what are the things that she can see? On the garden green, she can see the green garden, isn't it? And there, from there, she could see the roof of house, okay, and it looks so brown, okay, the brown roof of the houses she can see when she comes down in a swing. Then up in the air I go flying again, and again she goes up. Once she comes down, again she goes up, because she is swinging, isn't it? So again she goes up in the air, I go flying again, up in the air and down. So when I'm swinging, when I'm riding in a swing, I'm going up and I'm coming down, and while I go up I can see so many things, isn't it? And she's enjoying the ride in a swing, okay, and she is in a park. So this is so, do you think the child is happy? Yes, obviously, isn't it? The child is very happy to have a ride in the swing. Okay, from there she could see so many things, and she is enjoying the ride in a swing. This is all about the poem. So children, you write down the poem in your CW copy. Those who can draw, they can draw also the picture, and then write down the word meanings given at the bottom of the page, that is page number 124. The words like pleasantest means the most enjoyable, cattle means a herd of cows and bulls, countryside, land, fields, land with fields, farms, etc. These three word meanings you have to write in the CW copy. Then you write the poem and then you send it for correction. Children, you have to learn the word meanings also and learn the spellings like pleasantest. So learn the spelling of these words in the poem, learn it and then write it down in the CW copy, send it for correction, and in the next day I will give you the question answer of this poem so that you can write the back exercises I'll give, so that you can write it down in the copy and prepare well for the next term. Thank you.